In our health alert tonight, are you someone who reaches for junk food after a tough work deadline, an argument with a loved one, or when life's to-do list gets a little overwhelming?
Yes, yes, and yes. No, just kidding. Well, you're not alone if you did say yes. According to the American Psychological Association, 40% of adults say they eat junk food when their stress levels rise.
So what's the story, Dr. Nandi?
We've all heard that stress is bad for the body, but how you handle the stress in your life can be just as bad. I get it, as there's a reason why we call it quote-unquote comfort food. Now, when we have stress in our life, our bodies produce more of the hormone cortisol, and this can lead directly to hunger, as cortisol can increase your appetite and cause you to crave sugary, salty, and fatty foods. But eating them can lead to an unending cycle, as processed junk food can briefly perk you up and then make you feel worse, which might lead you to reach for more. And on top of that, your cortisol will raise even more. So to help you get stress eating under control and avoid unnecessary pounds, here are my prescriptions. First of all, when you're stressed and are ready to dive at the nearest junk food, ask yourself, am I really that hungry? When people are truly hungry, they often have a growling stomach, mild headache, and low energy. Secondly, instead of reaching for food, try distracting yourself and take a break, get outside for some fresh air, take a short walk, do some stretches, call a friend, or even try meditation, which is one of my favorites. And number 3 is, if you really need something to eat, reach for something healthy, a healthy alternative. Choose stress-fighting foods like dark chocolate, nuts, whole grains, fruits, and veggies. And lastly, try drinking fluids, as thirst is often confused with hunger. Have a large glass of water, or you can have green tea, matcha tea, and white tea, as they contain L-theanine, and this amino acid just may help to reduce your stress levels. Now, emotional eating can also happen when you have an emotional need that's not being fulfilled. So it's best to find the root cause of any underlying issue. So please don't hesitate to reach out for professional help. Your family doctor is a great place to start, as they'll have plenty of advice on how to tackle stress and help you get a hold of your eating habits. I'm Dr. Partha Nandi.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nandi. And if you have a question or a health concern for the doctor, you can email him, drnandi@WXYZ.com, or send it to us on Facebook or Twitter.
No stress this weekend when it comes to the weather. I mean,